This is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. I've tied a string to a marker so I can go ahead and do these marks here so I know where to tie. I normally wouldn't go into this part, but we're going to try something different. Let's see. And let's put one more down here. All right. Now we'll just start doing accordions up each of these and go from there. Probably going to start with the largest first. And just accordion my way up. Alright, so we have that. I was going to try to pull all these around. I'm going to tuck this under simply to make this idea work. Because I feel like if I pull all these together, I can do this as a incline. Sorry about that. My brain decided to stop working. Alright, I think this will work. I'm going to just touch this up some. I was going to have that as a scrunch, but I think I like the idea of leaving it like this. Now whether or not that rubber band stays, we'll see. Alright, off to dye. Alright, the colors Timberwolf by Dharma, Cayman Isle Green, Dharma. Let's see, Seashell Blue by Grateful Dyes, Sea Green, Grateful Dyes, Marine Blue number 70, Grateful Dyes, Emerald Green, Dharma, and Cerulean Blue, Dharma. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of soda ash to this. The whole lot. Alright, let that melt through and then decide where to go from there. Alright, this has been batching for, well over a day. So let's go ahead and rinse it out. Let's take a quick look. I'll go throw this in the wash and then we'll see the final thing. Well, I feel like I made a poor choice with the colors. I feel like the black should have been in each of the fan folds and then just have it running into blue in the center. That probably would have made more sense. The black has more. Back looks better. Well, this part doesn't. Yeah, that probably would have worked quite a bit better. Have black in the center of each of the fan folds and then have it run into the blue there. That's my only real thought on it. Otherwise, yeah, I need to work on my consistency. That 2 years off has messed with my routine on doing the tie-dyes. What do you think? Let me know down below. And until next time, thanks for watching.